What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rush. Today is Monday, August 24th, and happy Monday, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about my Bitcoin predictions and some of the top altcoin predictions on my watch list. So if that sounds good to you guys, please like this video, subscribe to my channel as I'll be coming out with new daily videos every weekday. So make sure you guys subscribe and don't miss out on that. And before we begin today, I want to mention I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, as trading and investing in the cryptocurrency market is extremely risky, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now let's begin today. So I have three coins I want to talk about today. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, which is still the coin that I am trying to hoard as much as possible over time, because I do believe in Bitcoin. And we are going to be talking about two other altcoins and some predictions on those coins and the big moves that are coming, in my opinion. So before we get into the altcoins, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been running on this either rising channel or a rising wedge. I guess we're going to see it play out soon. It was in a rising wedge before a couple of days ago, but then the bottom fell out, so we're going to have to readjust that bottom trend line right here. But it seems like right now it's more of a rising channel with a almost identically sloping um, bottoms as the tops. So we're going to see how this plays out. But my prediction is, this is on the daily charts, that we could get one more high and can actually break out of this rising channel right here. Now, if we do break out of this rising channel right here, we could potentially see a target of about 13,800. And now the reason why I'm saying it could break out of this rising channel right here is because we can look at the RSI, which had a few bearish divergence already. So that's not a bearish divergence, but these are the drops. But we had the bearish divergence right here between August 10th comparing with August 10th, and it actually happened on August 17th. But now the RSI is back on, it's below 70. So if you get a top over here, you could probably avoid another bearish divergence and get above 70. And that could probably be a catalyst to get above this rising channel right here to the target of what we just mentioned, about 13,800. So that's a pretty good move right there. But this is not something I trade. I would, I would actually make profits off my other trades and actually put money into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is pretty slow and I don't like trading slow coins, just because there's other prospects on altcoins that can make quite a bit of money off of. But in the end, I do want to have my savings in Bitcoin rather than the bank. So that's my prediction for altcoin. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any ideas, in the comment section below. Now my next coin setup here would be VeThor. This I have mentioned last week about the potential downtrend reversal that we're seeing right here. So this is on the daily charts, and you can see it has been on this really long falling wedge for the past about almost a month now. So I have kept my eye on this coin and looking for a position to open and actually get out, to get in on this on the breakout of this falling wedge. Now yesterday we had a green candle right here, which is, it looks like a potential breakout, but it's not confirmed yet because you still have quite a bit of resistance that's up here at about 0.0013. And then the last resistance up here would be about 0.0016. So if we get above those resistance levels, I will be in this coin. But before that, there's going to be a little bit of a bumpy ride, and it's not for sure a breakout, but it does look like it has signals that we have not seen before, such as now that the falling wedge is out of shape, but we have broken above some of these moving averages and stayed above these moving averages, unlike we have seen before, like such as the 6-hour time frame that we're looking at right now. We broke above the 21 moving average on the 6-hour, and we have stayed above that, and we are retesting that. So that to me is a sign that it could be a breakout of this falling wedge. Now, like I said, we have to get above those resistance levels for this to be a buy, and my target on this would be, if this confirms to be breaking out, it would be about 0.0023, so a little less than double than the price right now. So I am looking for those confirmations to get into this coin. I am eyeing this coin, so this is something to look into. Now, the final prediction of the day, which I had a position opened on here. Maybe I had a position open a little too early, but I did think there was going to be a reversal here of compound breaking out of this falling wedge right here, and my target here for this falling wedge would be about 250. So the fact that we had a double bottom on the 6-hour with bullish divergence is a good indicator, and breaking up above some of these moving averages where it has not been before for the past couple of days, that is something that is a confirmation to me. But I do have a position in this coin right now, and I'm glad to know that it's actually starting to come back up. Now, the key resistance that we still have left for the price action to break would be about 180 right here for 200 moving day average for the hourly. We also have the 4-hour 50-day moving average on 180 as well, and then 190 for the 50-day moving average on the 6-hour, and about 185 here. So after we get above those levels, I should see the target being met, and I'm going to be taking some profits on where some of these resistance levels are, and then maybe buy back in at the bounce so I can actually compound my profits on this position. But all in all, I do think that this is confirmation right here. We do have rising price and a rising buyers coming in, as you can see on the 12-hour right here. On the daily, you can barely see, but we do have stronger buy volume just right here with 23 minutes to go. So those are good confirmations to me, and that's why I am holding on to my position right here in compound. I am going to be taking profits at some of these levels, because it's not going to go straight up, but not financial advice. This is just my prediction on compound. So this concludes my predictions on some of these coins for the day, and some of the coins that are on my watch list. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would be back and maybe do a recap on this tomorrow. And I will see you guys next time.